let me show you where to find your total views for your YouTube Shorts. Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here from Essetinomedia, and on this channel, we show you how to create profitable content. Alright, so wondering where your total views for your YouTube Shorts are? Let me show you. Okay, first I'm signed into my channel, and this is on desktop computer. I'm here on my channel dashboard. And you want to head over to the left-hand side and click Analytics. And then from here, you want to click on Content. And then from here, you're going to see Videos, Shorts, Lives, and Posts. So you want to click on Shorts. And then from here, it's going to do the last 28 days, but you can change that, let's say, to lifetime. I've recently just started doing shorts, testing around, excited to get some of that monetized earnings. And so I've just changed it to lifetime here, and then it's going to give you your shorts report. So this is the total number of views so far. Like I said, I just started. It's going to show you your likes, your gained subscribers, and then as you go through, you're going to see your top shorts. I haven't posted very many. How viewers are finding your shorts, and then you've got the shorts feed, suggested, YouTube search, browse features, notifications. Yeah, very simple to do. Here's where all your shorts data is going to be on desktop. If you found this video helpful, please hit the thumbs up button. And if you want to find out how our YouTube channel makes between $15,000 to $20,000 a month, head down to the description below and I'll have a free training for you explaining how we do it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.